Good morning. We're at property reference S1354. This is a property, it's a small cottage, needs renovation. Got a lovely land plot. It's in the village of Maças de Dona Maria, just outside the village, like a little secret haven down a little track. We've got huge established cherry trees and fruit trees. We've got the level I'm stood on. Then it goes down a level. We've got a big flat meadow there. And where the big trees come in, that's not your land, that's the boundary.
As we approach the cottage, you can see the garage on the left hand side. That goes round the back. Then we have the porch here. It's a typical Portuguese cottage where you enter into the lounge. It is small. On each side are 2 bedrooms, sort of 3 by 3. Here's what we would call the lounge area, so it's quite narrow. You probably benefit from sort of gutting the place and making an open space there. I'll show you each room. These 2 bedrooms on this side of the property overlook the garden, and we've got the massive orange tree which kind of blocks the view, but we've got 2 meadows down there. So below the orange tree is the grass area you can see, and to the right there's another one, slightly split level, ideal for planting. Back in the property. So, go through to the kitchen area.
Yeah, okay.
So now if we go through to the kitchen area, there's been hot water here. You'd need to redo it probably, but you've had hot water. There's the chimney place above your head there, and on the left now you'll be able to see the door into the property where we've just been. And now we have the door to the exterior and then the bathroom. Particularly fetching colour of pink. I'm poking my head in the outdoor kitchen there. This is where the garage, as I called it, comes round the back of the property. And that building there has the chimney in it. Here we have the fields. Loads of established trees, really nice. Got the cherries, orange, fig. if you go up these steps, which you can hardly see, there's also a little walled land plot, probably about 300 square metres, maybe 400, which is quite nice off the courtyard area. Although it's very private anyway, the courtyard feels rather lovely to be made into a nice space. A bit overgrown at the moment. In the drone footage you could also see an outbuilding, and that's included in the property and lines along the boundary.